So hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. Are you looking to kickstart your career in data analytics, finance and automation? So here is a chance to work with EY's Global Compliance and Reporting, which is a data CoE team as an advanced analyst in Bengaluru. So if you have a passion for data management, reporting and process optimization, this role is provide you with a dynamic learning experience and exposure to global tax and financial services. So let's understand a little bit about the role. So this role is going to be of advanced data analyst at EY, where you will be your work and responsibilities would be like supporting, as you can see over your screen here, kind of that purpose is here. So you will be like kind of busy in supporting EY tax accounting teams by fulfilling their data needs, analyzing structured and unstructured data to generate key business insights. So you'll also be involved to find the business insights with the help of Power BI, Tableau, or advanced Excel concepts. So, and you will also develop and manage financial reports and dashboard. As I mentioned, you have to be busy in creating the dashboard for the company, mainly for the international stakeholders. Work on financial reconciliation, trial balance, and fixed asset registers. You'll also collaborate with tax professionals worldwide to enhance data processing efficiency, and you will be documenting the process, create workflow diagram, and provide data-driven solutions. So this is something all about your responsibility that is going to be at EY. And they have mentioned the necessary skill sets required for this role, as you can see on your screen over here. So it will be something like education. They have mentioned bachelor degree or master degree, preferably in finance, commerce, math, or computer science, or any business management. And you should have, a strong communication, analytical mindset with a problem-solving ability. You should be technically good and well versed with Excel, PowerPoint, Visio, and other automation tools. And bonus tips also is will be there that you must have the knowledge of ERP system and experience with global service delivery, because you have to deal with the global clients. So why one should join EY? So you'll get a global exposure to work with a multinational team of experts in finance and tax. Along with that, you will also get a very good career growth in developing expertise in data analytics, automation, and reporting. Or you will get a well-versed learning opportunities in working with the industry leader and data process automation tools. Along with that, you'll also get an inclusive work culture where you'll be a part of diverse and supporting global network, and of course, endless learning opportunity. So that's it. And part of EY's mission is to build better working world. So this is going to be a chance to work with one of the big four firms and elevate your career in data analytics and financial services. So apply now. The link for the same would be mentioned in the description. And yeah, take your step towards an exciting future. So that's it from my end for today. See you in the next video.